Welcome to Help, your guide to a successful roller applied installation of IdeaPaint CREATE. In addition to this video, please review the detailed print instructions in your kit. To begin, make sure you have all your materials ready to go. IdeaPaint is only as smooth as the surface it is applied to, so be sure to repair and smooth over any rough spots or damage prior to priming and painting the surface. Also, use blue painter's tape to protect any edges or surfaces you do not want painted, and lay out a drop cloth to protect the floor. For applications of CREATE White, priming is recommended when coating a new drywall, non-latex coated surface, repairing a surface, or changing the color of a surface. For applications of CREATE Clear, best performance is achieved when applied over a high-quality latex paint with an eggshell, semi-gloss, or gloss finish. If the paint on the wall is flat or matte, apply one coat of clear primer and allow it to dry according to manufacturer's specifications. Be sure to prime using one of the approved primers listed on your printed instructions. If you did have to prime the surface, once dry, lightly scuff the surface with 120 grit sandpaper. Always make sure to wipe down the entire surface with a clean, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. IdeaPaint CREATE has virtually no odor, but to assist with the drying and curing process, properly ventilate your space by opening doors and windows to create airflow, but avoid directly blowing air onto the surface. Mixing IdeaPaint is as simple as pouring this into that. Stir for 2 minutes until you have a smooth, even texture. IdeaPaint dries quickly. Once mixed, you have about an hour to apply. Never mix more than 200 square feet of IdeaPaint CREATE at one time. IdeaPaint is applied 50 square feet at a time. When applying more than 50 square feet, mark each area to reference when applying. Each kit of IdeaPaint is formulated to cover the square footage specified on the box. Stretching the product or applying it too thinly will negatively affect the performance and appearance of your IdeaPaint surface. To begin painting, start by cutting in with a 4-inch edging roller around the top, bottom, and side of the first 50 square foot area. Cut in around light switches and door handles only within the current 50 square foot area. For more detail edging, use a foam brush. With the first 50 square foot area edged in, use the 9-inch roller provided in your kit to paint the surface using the following system. Fully saturate your roller and start at the bottom left corner of section 1. Then using minimal pressure, apply with up and down strokes until the section is coated. As you reach the end of section 1, continue down into section 2 to roll the full height of A, moving back towards your starting edge, fully covering sections 1 and 2. Repeat this process for B by reloading your roller and starting at the bottom left corner of section 3. Again, remember to use minimal pressure to prevent drips. With A and B complete, reload your roller and roll through the entire 50 square foot area again using only full height up and down strokes as shown. Once you've completed the first 50 square foot area, take a moment to inspect your work. Using your wet roller, repair any uneven coverage, missed spots, roller marks, drips, pinholes, or debris. IdeaPaint CREATE can be worked or touched up for 20 minutes once applied. Continue by cutting in your next 50 square foot area and repeat these steps until your entire surface is covered in IdeaPaint. For larger scale installations, be sure to replace your roller cover and tray liner every 200 square feet of IdeaPaint applied. When finished, remove your painter's tape while the surface is still wet. If the surface has begun to dry, gently score along the tape edge with a razor blade and remove. IdeaPaint CREATE will clean off skin with soap and water. On other surfaces, use acetone to clean any drips or spills while the paint is still wet. IdeaPaint is dry to the touch within a few hours, but you must wait at least 7 days before writing on your new IdeaPaint surface. To help keep your surface safe, turn over your printed instructions and write down when your IdeaPaint wall will be ready to use. Then hang it somewhere near the surface. Once fully cured, use IdeaPaint with IdeaPaint brand markers, eraser cloths, and cleaner, or any other dry erase accessories. Thank you for watching. For more information and creative ways to use IdeaPaint, visit IdeaPaint.com.